Hi there, welcome back to another exciting tutorial of Biochemistry Learning Lab.
Today, we are gonna solve some questions to review amino acids structure.
Get ready for all tests including Mcat and all university exams.
Let's go. So, let's start with Mcat Medical College Admission Test. Let's go.
Harvard University, oh my gosh!
Come on, it's a piece of cake.
Yeah, it is. Okay, first question. Which of the following amino acids is considered basic? We have two key points for basic amino acids. Firstly, they all contain amino group in their R chain.
Secondly, because the word base has 4 letters, they all contain 4 carbons in their side chains.
Okay, option A, lysine. As you know, lysine looks like a line. So draw 4 carbons in a line and add NH3 positive or an amino group to the end.
So option A is the answer, but the 3 other options represent the aliphatic nonpolar amino acids.
Okay. Here is the explanation. Okay. Pause the video and read it for more information.
Alright, next question.
Second question. Pause the video, do it yourself, then check for answers.
Second question. Assuming all other conditions are equal, which of the following amino acids is expected to have the most positive charge at a physiological pH? To identify a positive charge,
Look for the amino group.
and to identify a negative charge,
Look for carboxyl group. So Saber, can you guess an amino acid with the most amino group?
let me think. Arginine.
Good guess. Arginine. 3 nitrogen arms.
So, option 4 is the answer.
Yes.
Next question.
Third question.
Which of the following amino acids has a side chain with a primary amide group?
You know that aspartate and glutamate end with ATE. As a result, they are acidic. We eliminate these options.
But asparagine and glutamine end with INE. This N here represents a nitrogen atom. So they are considered as an amide.
Okay. Asparagine is the primary amide, which contains 1 carbon and 1 amide in its side chain.
But glutamine, G, it's a giant form and a jealous one. So it has 2 carbons and an amide group in its side chain.
Alright. So asparagine is a simple one.
Option C is the answer. Next question. Question 4.
Which amino acid has a sulfur containing side chain?
Option A. Cysteine. Let's try it.
Constant part,
Carbon.
Carboxyl group.
H. NH2.
amino group, hydrogen.
Hydrogen. In order to draw cysteine, sketch a carbon and add a sulfur atom to the end. C and S. Cysteine. This is called thiol group, which is highly reactive and can form a disulfide bond.
Is it thiol group?
Yeah, it is. This is option A.
Okay. Next option. Option B, methionine. Do you remember the structure?
Sure.
Draw the constant part, carbon attached to carboxyl group,
NH2.
hydrogen. In order to draw methionine, we draw an M and add a sulfur atom here, in the 3rd place.
Great.
Before anything else, I need to explain the thioether group. Take a look, please. This is called thioether group.
Great.
Okay. So methionine has a thioether group where the sulfur atom is bounded to carbon and methyl group.
Oh. It's less reactive and it cannot form disulfide bonds.
Okay, so up to now, they both have sulfur atom.
Cool.
Okay, so option C is the answer.
Next question.
Next question.
Which amino acid has a side chain that can form disulfide bonds?
We know that cysteine and methionine, they both have sulfur atom in their side chain.
But only cysteine can form a disulfide bond.
Wait, why only cysteine?
Because it has a free terminal sulfur atom, which is called the thiol group. It's highly reactive and can form a disulfide bond.
Methionine, on the other hand, has a thioether group in its side chain.
It's less reactive than thiol group.
So it cannot form a disulfide bond. So option C is the option A is the answer.
Next question.
Next question.
Which amino acid is the smallest and the simplest?
Option A is glycine. You know that glycine is the simplest amino acid. Let's draw it. We start with constant part.
COOH, amino group, hydrogen.
We just add H here.
Cool. So up to now,
Option A is the answer.
so far, option A is the answer, but let's just discuss other options.
Okay.
Alanine. In order to draw alanine, eliminate hydrogen. It has a methyl group, carbon instead of hydrogen. This is called alanine.
Okay. Option C is valine. Let's try it. Okay. As usual, in order to draw valine, we start from alanine.
This is alanine.
Okay. After that, we add upside down V. Upside down V. Okay. Option D.
Option D, isoleucine. It's an isomer of leucine. As usual, draw the constant part. We start with alanine.
Okay.
We add I for isomer and L for leucine. I, L. This is called isoleucine.
Just like this. Next question.
Which amino acid has a hydroxyl group in its side chain?
Option A, serine. We call it O-ser.
So it's O, Ser.
It has hydroxyl group.
Option B, threonine.
3-onine. 3
3,
OH.
nin. That's 3 parts. Carbon, hydroxyl group,
So, and
and
methyl
methyl group.
Option C, tyrosine. Read it, tyrosine.
Higher,
It is benzene. OH.
It has a hydroxyl group too.
If you are confused, watch part 2.
So far, they all have hydroxyl group.
Yeah.
Option D is the answer. Next question. Next question.
Question 8. Which one is tyrosine?
First of all, do it yourself and then check for answers.
Look for a tyrol.
Higher. Oh. This is a tire.
Okay.
And this is the OH,
Hydroxyl.
hydroxyl group. It's the answer.
Okay. This is tryptophan. As
And
you
the
know.
last one is phenylalanine.
Wait. Read it. Phenylalanine.
Phenylalanine. Next question.
Question 9. Which amino acid has an aromatic ring in its side chain?
It means that which one has a benzene group?
Okay. Option A, phenylalanine. It is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. There's a benzene group in the phenyl part.
Option B, tyrosine.
Tire. Oh,
You can see a tire and the hydroxyl group.
okay. C is tryptophan. As you know, in a tryptophan city, rich people drive the Benz.
This is the benzene group. So they all have benzene, and option D is the answer.
Let's move on. Next question.
Last question.
Question 10. Methionine is a unique amino acid because its side chain contains a Saber. How do we draw the structure of methionine?
It's as easy as a pie. Draw the constant part,
Alright.
draw an M, add the sulfur atom here.
This sulfur atom is bonded to carbons. It forms thioether group.
So option C is the right choice.
We have now reached end of the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
If you wanna be notified new uploads, activate the bell as well.
Feel free for any comments.
Ta-ta!